I see these beautiful rainbow colored projects all the time, and I love them. But what I like to do is create my own signature rainbow or Beata bow. And this is how I do it. I gather all my colors, and this is pretty much a rainbow. We have yellows, oranges, blues, greens, everything. And to kind of, when you don't want to look like a circus tent, I'd say, you just want to remove one. Makes it so much more sophisticated, so much classier, and you can have all the fun with all the colors. But remember to always remove one color of the rainbow, and then you have a Beata rainbow or Beata bow. What you can do with these is you wind them all up, stick them into a bag, and just draw at random. Do a marl, do a multicolored project, stripe it, do whatever you want. All of these will go together in any way you pull them out of the bag, and they will look awesome.